This thing's big.
Good job. Take it easy. You got 10 pound fluorocarbon on there.
Yep.
Ooh, good one. That's a good one. Oh, look at this big old smallmouth. Big smallmouth. Cool.
Jerk baits.
Cool. Look at that.
Holy smokes.
I know you're just trying to help, but I'm just used to doing
you're
everything
good.
myself.
Yeah, I'll get out of the way. That is fine.
The one thing that I don't like about jerk baits is the fact that they have 3 trebles that can stick into your hand.
Well, I've had a few hooks in my hand. She's full of eggs.
Sounds like a fair. Yep. A little smallmouth.
It's alright, we'll take what we can get. Good job. So you just stay up there. Get a picture of you up there. These hooks are mean too, these Megabass hooks. The barbs are on the outside. Now just hold him for a second. I'll get your hooks out of here for you.
I love getting that torpedo release. It's like,
Alright, buddy. Whatever you're doing, keep doing it because it's working.
yeah. Little spot. Yeah. Got
There
it.
you go. Good job. Keep going.
I was, well, with Marina. You have to have some, and the permits aren't easy to get. So you sell, if you got pretty prime.
You got a house here, more likely they own a stall.
Right, yeah. And what's the popular, I'm just curious, how many slips are on this lake, so how many boats Yeah.
750 miles per hour.
That's a nice one.
Take it easy.
Oh, never mind. He's just.
Good fish. It's a smallmouth. They're just mean. It is a nice one. One I caught earlier was a giant. He's just a good fish.